The All About Algebra course is a fantastic way to get introduced to the basic concepts of algebra. This is a 6-part course. There are 6 separate sessions, all with video tutorials. In total, you get 2 hours and 20 minutes of video tutorials. You get to practice along with me, and then you get to have a go by yourself. And there is a challenge section included in all 6 of the lessons. We start with learning about algebra, just learning the basics, understanding what it is, what it means, and some of the really common rules. And then we start to explore how to find n. Now, how to find n is basically looking at how we find a missing number, which is what algebra is all about. It's all about a letter or a symbol replacing a number. And we look at techniques for how to find that missing number, that missing value. We look at it with adding and subtracting. We look at it with multiplying and dividing. We then move on to multi-step, so problems where you have to do more than one operation. The final 2 sessions look at algebraic puzzles. Now, instead of using letters, I use pictures and symbols because it just kind of makes it a bit more fun. But it's a really great way for you to build those really important algebraic skills before you move on to more complex algebra, which starts from year 6. So if you'd like to download the All About Algebra course, please check out the details. You get 6 sessions, 2 hours and 20 minutes of tutorials, 6 worksheets, all with challenge sections, and the answers are included. And if you would like to know anything more about algebra, specifically the algebra objectives that are in the Year 6 National Curriculum, you can head over to the Pocket Private Tutor app, where there are all 5 algebra objectives there with lesson videos, worksheets, and even past stats questions. You can download it from the Apple Store or from Google Play, and you can watch all the videos from your mobile phone or from an iPad. All you need to do is to print out the worksheets. You can actually try out the first algebra objective completely free. So using simple formulae is completely free. But if you want to access any of the other content, it's just $9.99 a month.